Hey guys, what's up? And we're back with the next one. Yeah, you see Orain actually closing up shop. Yes, so we're actually on our way to.
Never know own a shop.
We're actually on our way into country, Manchester. We'll be visiting a dear relative of ours, so sit back, enjoy the journey. We kind of left a little bit late, but nonetheless we're still making it, so just hope that God covers us and keep us safe on our journey. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Yeah, nothing to say there. Yeah, so let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah. Hey guys.
Alright, talk up God, the wind breeze are coming through.
Hey guys! So we're on a highway now. We're just gonna try to keep you here with us on the journey. Yeah, and then
we're not past Bernard.
yeah, it's a Grace right there. So
We're not past Bernard yet. Bernard, they're right there.
fine, let's see if we can show you guys a little bit of Bernard Lodge construction that's going on. We wanted to head over there. Wow, the crane line's so wow. Damn. I don't like that clearing, guys. I hope things goes well, and it's one of the housing that we get. But all the land that's there for it, all of this is still.
Watch the back.
All of this land is clear.
Oh,
All of that land.
it's on. Whoa, right
I'll
there.
come
Right
right here.
stop right here, so
Yeah.
yeah. So this is somebody else's scheme now.
And there's farmland that's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's farmland.
Yeah, it's farmland.
It's supposed to be how much houses? 1,000 something house, like 1,600 odd houses.
1,650.
1,650 houses.
Yeah, so when the time comes, we'll vlog that to people.
Yeah.
I know no love like how something videos, man.
You know, we've succumbed to it, yes. Yeah, but guys, we do have other content, so we'd love if you're watching this right now to check out more of our vlogs or challenges and leave a comment of what you would want to see next, whether that be more country life vlogs or that to be like a spicy noodle challenge or something, guys. Anything that
Whatever no answer with it,
whatever you guys want to see, just comment it down below, guys. We're here to entertain.
Yeah. Sorry for the shaking, guys.
Yeah, we're in a car and we're holding the camera physically, so it's difficult. We don't have anything to stabilize it on.
So stay tuned for the ride, guys.
Yes.
Might show now a little bit of the road
Woo!
journey.
I don't know what's wrong with me.
Yes, guys, just showing you what we're currently doing.
The tripod.
The tripod pan, the use, it's very useful.
Yes, it's multi-purpose and it's very flexible, guys.
Yeah.
So for all
This
you
is
that
the
are
octopus.
yeah, the octopus tripod. So all you that are interested in this, guys, we'll have a link for it in the description, guys. It's really a good purchase. It's only like $4.
Yeah, so go in the description and get yourself an octopus tripod
Yes.
from Amazon.
Multi-purpose. We love it. Honestly, guys, look at this. We're not just using it for vlogging. We're using it as a little entertainment stand.
We're there watch it pew pew, boss.
Alright.
If you know, you know.
Okay, guys, so we're here. Oh, it's like we'll lock out.
We lock
And
out.
down,
Come when
final
you need
reach. The gate open. Alright now.
I guess we get a approval.
No, I don't you know so me that come for yeah.
People watch your lightness. Get this open for me.
Automatic gate.
Automatic. Have it like that.
Controller.
Yes, people.
Let the vlogging begin.
Yes, we reached in the evening now. Yes, people. We vlog the house. I'm going to see a little bit of country living.
Pure niceness.
Yeah. So we're here. Yes. Oh shit, me see two dogs. Me not doing nothing. Hi, puppy whoopy. That one they train up. It's a puppy. Hi, puppy. Hey, you quiet down. Watch him. Watch him. Orain, don't do it. Jesus. Watch it, sitting around with the foot. Yeah, we get it. No worry, you just have to protect your master. Me get it. Me get it. Right guys, here is a grapefruit tree and there's literally wild pine on it. Like you can see that spike right here. Finger there. Where is my finger?
The wild pine.
Yeah, this is the it's like a parasite.
Living off the nutrients of
The grapefruit tree. Yeah, but there's a lot to show you guys just within the yard itself. It's kind of late now. I don't know if I'm going to be able to come on and show you guys all I wanted to if we had came early, but there should be tomorrow early, and there should water. Okay, we should still have a little bit of today. Oh, where do Orain? I just said that's what they care. I'll go around there and get a little view of the hillside people. I'm have to be careful because I don't know which dog make a book up. I think we need to put it in our rooms. I don't know where we stay. But no, we usually have this one room I always stay in at the end right there, so but we can't walk through here, so.
Where is this?
No. Alright, so let's go. We always usually staying at this. Anytime we come up and share that room, we always end up staying now. But we on the bed, keep the devil away. Oh, let me turn off the flash, guys. It's better out here? Then I smell it out here though.
Yeah, bad sinus, so everything will tickle my nose.
Guys, in the house, I'm just relax a little bit. Oh my gosh, like one of our video, our latest video, go back. It's doing so well. You know, we're small YouTubers, and it's I don't even know if you guys can see. It's at like 111 within few hours, and that's big for us. Like we get that within sometimes 2-3 days. So guys, thanks for the support that you have been showing us a lot. We appreciate every one of them, and just continue supporting us while we continue to put out good content for you guys. 112. morning guys, early morning this in the countryside. As I look on literally the mountain that's behind us. I have a lot to show you guys today. That was the intention. So yeah, it's quite early. I've been up actually from like 4 a.m. and right now it's probably after 6. Let me see what time it is. Alright, this phone don't want to tell me. No, actually at 7:22. So I've been up for a while. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some real things around here. But a time for breakfast, I'm hungry. Very hungry. I just want pumpkin this up there, so I just want to have an out bathroom, an outhouse bathroom, and this is one next little kitchen. You want to climb up and go view over this, or you want to walk around the house?
I could take a little circle.
You want to circle and go underneath it, so?
Yeah. People is a proper hillside, you know.
Yeah, it's lovely.
How long we not come to country?
It's nice.
Last time I go country, I think it was 2017, 2016. Grapefruit up on the tree.
I want to pick one before me leaving, them then arrive.
I don't know, I don't like grapefruit.
You don't have to like
Only
it.
thing in a grapefruit, me eat a shrimps.
Auntie Dan, how you know when them grapefruit arrive?
Them yellow.
How you know when them arrive?
There, you show the color yellow.
Oh, yellow. So them green now.
Shadeka's your favorite then, you know?
Jugo?
Yeah.
I like it.
See this one them? Let's see.
Oh, one little one?
Looks
That's a
like.
little agriculture tree.
Oh.
Yeah, the small miniature one.
The small. But see the bigger tree, but it be a few penny, but a way
Oh,
back
wow.
up.
See them up there, sir?
But a way up, Mrs.
No, sir. Them son will lick me and make it up if them drop off.
Wow.
Wow.
Your head top. You're not go there. So the little lick, when it come down, you will get a hard lick, yes, but you're not go there.
I ain't have no stick or nothing like that. You know, I never climb that tree yet.
See, one stick them in there.
Okay.
I'm not about that. I think that tree now is sitting. The bird, them just pour them up as soon as they start change color. So that's why then just when the rain to they spoil like a whole.
They get one? Hey, so some fine little tree right there, sir.
Them,
But them the young.
them the young
Them
man.
they not fit yet.
Okay, this is so good for me to say now.
Okay. Then the
But
young
that's this one.
are the same thing. Sometimes.
June plum. Shadeka's favorite.
So, Orain, so this is how big the tree can grow then?
Bigger.
Bigger?
This,
How we
they
can
were
have
cut
to do
out. They were
from
cut out the heart right already, you know. Like that, the one that because they think it is a one away. You know, the small, just ordinary.
More June plum.
2 years. And one.
So you know when you're a good boyfriend, you know your girlfriend love them, so you walk and look for them.
Orain, they made them out do a Jesus, man.
You
You
can,
need it.
you can always cut out.
It can't cut
them.
off. You can't just wash and cut off.
Them all off.
I think that you still.
So, you have Jew palm right here, sir. Then you have mango right here. A mango tree this?
Yeah.
Yes, and I
Then,
want green skin mango. And last year,
Look a mix, man. One look a puppy.
I see him because he. That one here.
It's a mongrel Orain. Orain, the one behind there, come, man.
Come, but me, just drink so big, I don't want to mess with him.
Yeah, let me say that's his strained up your reason. What you might play with you?
Go.
You come to me?
No. I really might run from me.
Let's see if I come towards me. Oh, puppy, puppy. Hey.
Oh.
Yeah. One next one. So this is avocado right here. So
Pear tree.
pear tree. It's avocado and everybody know it as pear. Pear are different thing for some people.
Jamaican talk, a pear this.
This was a cube, don't it?
Yeah.
That chicken cube. No more chicken in here right now.
Cube needs repair.
A refill.
I found go to the panda.
Oh, that one next grapefruit. So. One next grapefruit right here. So, Jesus, look around and say, yo, I want the last come around. I say, usually we just go straight in and the house people. Jesus, a long time I come venture in the
over the fence.
in the deep part of the house.
I take
Oh,
them
look how much grapefruit jump off of the
there.
tree.
If you can see over there, but I don't know how for property this, but
A farming are going over there.
farming and so forth. It's a good look.
It's a nice grapefruit tree. Look how much of them drop off of the tree.
Yeah, them are not good. Could take a walk down in the bushes.
Hi, puppy.
Crocodile, buy one today. Hey, the day when we can make merch.
One of them banana. Let me show them. One of them banana tree. Auntie Dawn picked the banana we're gonna eat from this morning. Freshly poking.
Hey, the day when we are gonna make merch, you know, me I buy you some crocodile.
You can put them OS forever in it.
OS can. Tell me if you know that buy that. You know buy them merch the people.
See snail on the tree there?
Snake?
Snail, yeah?
Oh, Shadeka.
Me there right there, sir.
Man, don't make me run, you know.
Come.
Oh, snakes.
I said snail.
It look like I'm planting tree. I don't know if you can see the planting called the sun. This look nice. See the banana lie down this way.
Oh.
I just said they peeled the
Oh,
banana.
she cut off that tree there.
Yeah, I just said banana come from this morning.
And then see some more grow up on that one there right there, so. If I go over, I can't really
Well, see
eat
there.
this, so, yeah. I wish tree this area, you know, what is it? What is it? I'm sitting on it like a kneesberry.
It's on a newsberry?
A kneesberry. Kneesberry tree.
Good up,
Him come behind me. Hi, he's liking me.
It's one papa tree.
Oh, look at the puppy.
Some papa tree.
Okay. Okay.
See little papa about them.
They're not, that one they not carry nothing.
No papa not upon it yet.
Look at these birds, them and shoot up people. Go. You can zoom in on them.
They can't zoom in.
I really want to go too close because we don't want that dog to come for me. See? See there? See there?
In protective, I look one and enough.
Don't want him come for me. Go on through. You be with tour guide. Tell me what is what.
I know this looks like a banana walk. Look out for biting insects.
You see any?
No.
Oh no, rain is falling.
No rain now.
So there's something drop on me a while ago.
Water for the tree.
The tree is crying.
That's how the deep, yeah.
Oh wow.
I'm not sure what these holes are for. Maybe it's to plant other banana trees.
I think it's here. Them to root out some. Ow. Something bit me.
And that's going to be. I don't know. I don't know if I can make it around here in India.
Well, take a camera. I better go further then. Enjoy people. I'll just watch from here.
Alright, so people I don't know. If you can comment down below. Me know I said this. A bush here. You can make tea. I think a pepper elder them call it. I smell it. Yeah man, a pepper elder. Can use it make a tea. I don't know what good for, but my grandfather Give me tea with it already and it good, tastes nice. So yeah, from here, so I just see a banana tree going down. Now if you can see that big one there. There's the mosquito them bite hot in man. Manchester mosquitoes don't play. Jesus. I real doctor them know them stick and you don't know.
See some leaf of life right here, so honestly, more remember if we come pick some before we leave so we can go plant it. At the back, it's really good, like when you have cold on them stuff there. We're just going to take overall, you know, straighten up your immune system and things. Cold, flu. When sickness take you. That's why it name leaf of life. One lime tree this. See one big one, a tangerine. See it a tangerine.
Oh, tangerine tree.
Tangerine. Watch out up on the next look. There's a lot of fruits on it to get big. We come the wrong time, people should have come in ready for blossom.
Ready for blossom, you wouldn't get no.
Oh, when I'm ready for peak, I'm stupid.
And on this, somewhere right?
Oh, well, on there, I should, guys, when I walk with proper shoes, we should I walk with proper shoes. It's just the yard, people. Aye, whoa, things are bite me. Whoa. So some nice tangerine here. I'm still not, well, some of them are ripe.
Just a rub bumper there, mosquito drop.
Aye, that one in your mouth. Him suck me bad?
What?
Mm-mm.
That good. You never get there when
What eat more I go on for running? So running look like sugar cane in the middle right there, so. On the yard. Big, nice, pretty yard. Nice early morning stroll in the yard. Look at the yard, big people. Look at the yard big.
people the place cold.
Orain, this not cold. Orain want to come in a real cold weather. This warm.
And this me just try to tell her. Me don't know if the one I can you have two of them.
What I say?
The bush one of them a pepper ale you can drink, and the next one I think
Poisonous?
will poison your cloth.
That not right, Orain, that not right.
And them look alike.
So just stay away from two of them.
Me drink it too.
Me rotted them.
That the poisonous one, my grandfather have it, so we drink it.
The mosquito I be a bad though. Remember the days the mosquito never usually near me when I come out country. It's what one.
Then expand.
No, so I might get very strengthened.
Broaden the horizon.
Yeah, man. Come here, no? Look at payback when I'm getting a towns. Man, if I come far. A pumpkin patch this? No. A sweet potato.
Yeah, sweet potato.
Wow, guys. Look how slip stem can turn and become bare sweet potato.
Them not reach after yet.
No, sir. Them just a come. Look on the space I have for until the next yard. No, sir. It's nice, bad. Look on the hillside. Let me get a nice shot from right here, sir.
That tree look nice in Shadeka.
Which one? What that?
I don't know what it is, but it looks nice.
What is to Jesus?
The fruits that are on it make it look nice.
But yeah, guys, up on the hillside. A nice view. Just hear the birds.
And the house was situated right up there, so the property look nice. Huh?
contemplating this. I really love it here. Like, I want to move here full time. Like,